What's this?
What's it say?
Here, show it.
Read it. Audra, it says, Hello Kitty. It says, Happy birthday, girl. You're simply adorable as usual. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Audrey. Love you. Angie, Mike, Kyle, Ryan, Jordan, Rachel, and Keith.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, open it up.
You gonna open it?
Open up the present.
Go ahead.
Oh, African.
Can you get it open? There you go. Now get it. Now you got it. You get the rest?
What is it? Open it up. Let's see.
Take the paper off. Oh,
What is it? It's a lawnmower with bubbles. Look at that. How about we open up all the gifts and then we'll open up some, okay?
Audra, can you say thank you to the camera? You say thank you? No, in the lens part. Here.
Just look at
You want to see
Daddy.
yourself?
Look at Daddy and say
Here,
thank you.
come over here. Come over here. Say thank you.
Thank